If there's anybody qualified to teach you how to make $100 a day online with your affiliate marketing business, it's your boy, John McNeil. In this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you 7 tips that are really non-negotiable if you want to secure and guarantee making $100 a day. You don't want to miss this video. Watch it to the end. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So all you actually need is a laptop and an internet connection, and I can show you how you can turn those two things into cash. So make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and click the notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now guys, like I said, in this video today, I'm gonna be giving you 7 different tips that you want to be implementing in your affiliate marketing business today that's gonna give you the highest probability of generating $100 a day. Let's jump over to the laptop. All right, guys, we're gonna jump right into this video, and what we're gonna be talking about today is the 7 different tips, the 7 different components that I feel you need to have in your business in order to generate a consistent $100 per day. Now, as we go through this list, if you don't have all of these different components, these different tips that I'm going to be addressing in this video, it's likely that you're not generating $100 per day right now. Now, you may be making some sales, but you may not be generating a consistent $100 a day every single day, 365 days in the year. So as we go through this list, I implore you, if you don't have all these different components in your business, to go ahead and start implementing these different tips that I'm going to be addressing, because it can definitely get you to that $100 per day mark, and it can actually snowball to a lot more as you build your affiliate marketing business. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So tip number 1 is to learn more than one traffic strategy. Now, I know that most people will tell you that you should pick one traffic method and then master it, and that's not bad advice. But I will say, from my personal experience and talking to a lot of my friends that do affiliate marketing, you really need to learn about 2 to 3 different traffic methods. Now, that's mainly because the different opportunities that you promote, some of the different sales funnels, they're not going to work on every different traffic medium that you're going to promote on. I've done promotions on YouTube that flopped with solo ads, and then I've done promotions on YouTube that sucked, but then I ran a solo ad and it performed very well. So sometimes you have to test out the different traffic methods depending on, what you're actually promoting, and see what's going to be most profitable for the campaign that you're running. But if you only know one traffic method, you're kind of pigeonholed, and you're not going to be able to test out different mediums to see if you can actually make whatever the campaign you're running profitable. The number 2 tip is you need to start a blog. A blog is something that every affiliate marketer actually needs. It's like your home base, like your permanent address online. Now, as you're out there promoting your different sales funnels and running paid traffic to your different campaigns, you have like leads coming through that are very cold. They don't know you, and they aren't going to be as apt to purchase from you because they don't have any type of rapport or relationship with you. And this is where a blog comes in handy, because as you are having people come through your funnel, you can also send them to your blog where they can actually get to know you more. They have your story there. They have more content that they can digest. They actually feel like they start to get to know you. So now you're not just this guy that is trying to get them to buy something through a sales funnel, because, leads are smart. They know that they're being sold, and people do like to buy, but they need to feel like what they're buying is worth it. And they need to feel like the person that's selling them the product or the service they can trust. So a blog is something that you can actually use to actually start building rapport and trust with your leads, your subscribers, sending them there. You can share things about your life, give valuable content, and it's some place that people can come to just find out more information about you. And the more people know about you, the more rapport that's going to be built, the more you're going to convert more of those cold leads into actual sales. Number 3, create a YouTube channel. And I talk about this all the time here on this channel because I think it's very important as an affiliate marketer to actually have a YouTube channel. First of all, having a YouTube channel, again, is going to help you build rapport and trust. It's going to actually give you free traffic to your websites, to your offers, to your squeeze pages, to your business opportunities. This is free traffic. Yes, it is slow at the beginning, but once you start getting this platform going, it can be very, very profitable for your business. And again, this traffic is absolutely free. So no one is actually perfect at YouTube when they start out. It's basically a consistent learning platform because when I started, I was terrible at making videos. I'm still not the best at making videos. And frankly, sometimes I hate creating videos, but I know what this actually can do for my business. I've seen what it can do for my business. So I would just implore anybody that does not have a YouTube channel to just get started. Just get started, guys. It's not that difficult. You don't have to be perfect, but you need to get started because over time, this platform can really do a ton of different things for you in terms of, branding yourself, building rapport, building relationships, getting free traffic and sales for your business. So definitely start a YouTube channel and start creating videos. Number 4, you want to improve your copywriting skills. This is going to be extremely important because it's like selling with the written word, and email marketing is still big. So as you're building your list, which I know you guys are, because we talk about it all the time on this channel, you need to learn how to communicate with your list in a way that's going to get them to actually take action. Now, people are on so many people's lists now, so you really have to learn how to stand out of the crowd and get people to first actually open your email. So you got to have really good subject lines, and then you have to have really good copy within that email so that you can actually get the click. Because a sale is not generated, guys, until someone actually hits the link. So they got to get those clicks. So the more clicks you can get through email marketing or through your advertising period, the more sales you're actually going to make. And copywriting is one of those things that people don't want to learn. People take this extremely light because they're just like, oh, well, I can just run traffic and I'll make money. No, you can make so much more money with a smaller audience if you learn how to communicate with them via email, through your sales letters, through your videos that you create on YouTube. And you can actually start converting a whole lot of people with minimal traffic if you learn this skill. Number 5, you want to connect with people more in your affiliate marketing business. Now, this is important, guys. So a lot of people with affiliate marketing, they have this mindset that, I can just stand behind my computer and I don't really need to connect with people. And you get this perception from a lot of the gurus that are out there. They just, run these campaigns and they make these hundreds of thousands of dollars and they never have this connection with people. Well, I implore you to actually try to connect with people because sales will actually come much faster and much easier if you connect. So ways that you can actually connect with people is by actually just communicating with them. I mean, you can use Facebook Messenger, you can use email marketing. So like literally when you email to your list, you can ask them questions, have them respond. And then when people email you asking you questions, respond back to them. A lot of marketers don't take the time to respond back to people that ask them questions. If you're on YouTube, if you're on your social media, people are sending you messages, comments, reply back. I can't tell you the number of times of like emails that I've received and me just replying back with a couple sentences that's generated me thousands of dollars just because I connected with the people in a way where it's just like, okay, now I'm not just this guy that's trying to sell them something. I'm actually having a back and forth banter with them. I'm actually trying to help them. And then that ended up generating sales for me. So connecting with people is going to be huge, especially in this digital marketing age where so much is being thrown at them at one time. People just want to know that there's really a person behind that website that can actually connect with them a little bit, which is going to make them feel way more comfortable about making a purchase. Tip number 6, and we actually kind of touched on this a little bit earlier, is you need to be building the biggest list you can possibly build. Now, list building is something that happens gradually over time. You're not going to have this huge, massive list right out the gate. And I also think that you should scrub your list periodically because because the more dead weight that you have on your list, the more you're going to actually be paying for your autoresponder. So you definitely want to take the dead weight off your list. If you're not opening your emails, you want to scrub them out. But you want to try to build the biggest, most responsive list that you possibly can. Guys, if you have a list of people that are interested in products and services that you sell, it is an immediate way. It's probably one of the fastest ways that you can generate $100 per day by literally creating a good email, a good subject line. We talked about copywriting. That's one of the skills, right? That's one of the skills you need to have. You get a good subject line, you create a good email, and you send them to a high converting offer. It's like printing money, literally. And if you've never done it, if you've never been able to email your list and make thousands of dollars, I'm telling you guys, there's nothing like having that list and being able to just generate money like on demand. It's one thing when you're running a campaign and you're running solo ads and you create a video and you're doing this and you're doing all of this work to get the sales, and it's still good because you're still making the money, but it's nothing like having a list of 5,000 people, 10,000 people that you can literally just email and just say, hey, check out this offer. This is what it'll do. And then generate sales like literally within minutes of sending that actual email. So if you're not building your list, guys, get started today. Build the biggest, most responsive list that you can actually build. So tip number 7, and the final tip, is to follow one affiliate marketing training program. Now, I know from doing some coaching and talking to a lot of people that are on my email list and subscribers of mine, there's a lot of products and coaching programs and affiliate marketing programs that are being purchased out there. But a lot of times you're not actually going through the entire program. You're not following it step by step. You're picking and choosing what you want to do and what you don't want to do. And then if it doesn't work for you, you get upset and you end up quitting. What you really need to do is you need to pick one program that you trust, that you feel like it has all the different components that will teach you the full spectrum of doing affiliate marketing from scratch, and then taking you to the place where you can actually start generating consistent income. But you need to plug into that affiliate marketing program or that training program, and you need to go through every single video. Don't skip steps, and you need to execute the things that you're learning in the actual program. And I'm guilty of this too. I've gone through tons of programs and tons of courses where I may have just watched a little bit of it. I've started it and I didn't finish it. And that is a detriment to myself when I'm not actually getting all the information, especially if the training is really good. So you want to absolutely take the time to go through these different training programs and learn everything that you possibly can, and then implement. That's where you're going to see the fruits of your labor. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed those 7 tips. I hope that you guys got some value from this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And guys, seriously, if you don't have all of these components, all these different tips, these 7 tips that we talked about today in your affiliate marketing business, step by step, implement these things, get some copywriting training, start your YouTube channel, start your blog, learn how to drive traffic, connect with people, and then follow an affiliate marketing training program all the way to the end. Now, if you're looking for a great affiliate marketing training program that will teach you how to do affiliate marketing from scratch, from A to Z, I will have a link in the description. You can actually check it out. It's a great system that you can actually start to learn how to do the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, as well as earn commissions with this actual system. So go ahead and check that link in the description, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.